Sometimes a project calls for wide seam allowances, wider than the markings on your sewing machine's throat plate.
In this situation, a seam guide is the solution. There are two ways to add a seam guide to your sewing machine. The first way is to use a roll of masking tape, painter's tape, or a mini roll of duct tape, because why waste a big roll? Slightly flatten the roll. Then use a craft knife or utility knife to score across the tape in two spots 1 inch apart. Cut down to about 4 layers of tape. Peel off all the layers as one chunk and stick the tape stack onto your machine at the needed seam allowance width.
An even faster way is to use a sticky note pad. Use any size sticky note pad and peel off a stack of sheets. Affix the pad on the machine at the needed seam allowance width. Make sure the sticky end of the pad faces the needle to provide a solid barrier for guiding fabric. If the pad loses its grip, just discard the bottom note and stick the notepad back in place.
The depth of the tape stack or notepad helps guide the fabric edge as you sew.
Either method adds an effective seam guide for wide seam allowances.